Students of class 10th. Today I am going to start a new chapter, chapter 4. The title you will see: Gender, Religion and Caste. Today I am going to teach you about gender. You know that in this chapter 3 questions are important. That is, first, women are discriminated, disadvantaged, and oppressed. The answer is that why? The cause why the women are discriminated from men. The answer is that the literacy rate among women is 54% compared to male compared with male 76%. You will also see that many girls students do not go for higher education. When we look at the result of a school, we see that girls are doing as well as boys in almost places. What parents prefer boys as students, so they do not want to spend their resources on girls equally as boys. So first point is that literacy rate. Second point, no wonder that highly paid women are less in society. Their value of work is less. So they have not got an opportunity to get high payment, and you will also see that all women do work more than average person, male person, an hour more. So this is also a cause that we do not see in society. Highly paid women, their proportion is very low, and their job not paid are less valued. So second point is this. Third point, you will see that the Same Work and Same Wages Act has given that all persons should get the same reward when they will work. The women will also get the reward, same reward. The Equal Remuneration Act, this came in 1976, has given the opportunity that for the same work, male and female will be rewarded same. But you will see that from sports to cinema, factories to fields, that women get less money for the same work they do as men. One more thing, you will see that parents prefer boy child, male child. So they gets away when they got that they are getting a female child. They get aborted that child, and the ratio of girls children has declined. You will find that on 1000 boys children, only 927 girls are there, and many places it has also fallen down, that they have gone to 850 or 800 on 1000 boys. So these are the causes women are discriminated. One thing also, there are reports that girls are, female are face harassment, they are tortured, they face violence. Even the urban areas, this is often, many cases come like that. They are the cases of they are beaten, they face so many types of violence. Even in their house they are not safe. So these are the causes for the discrimination of women. So one question important for of 5 marks. And then there is a question, what is the proportion of women in legislature? You will see that in Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha, the proportion of women is very low. In Lok Sabha, it has never reached, the proportion of women has never reached more than 10%, even for even one time. And in state legislature, it is just 5%. Their percentage is just 5%. And third question is, how can we solve this problem? The third question is, how can we solve this problem? And the answer is that many feminists and women activists say that these problems can be solved only when they will have participation in Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. So you have read that in local self-government, 1/3 seats are reserved. So it should be also legally binding that a proportion of women should get seats, their representatives in Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. Feminist movements, women's organizations are working for that, and 1/3 seats are demanding. They are demanding 1/3 seats reserved in Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha. One proposal of bill is there pending in Lok Sabha, and the government, all parties are not on one point. All parties are not at one point. So this proposal is pending there. So we have discussed here 3 questions you will prepare from gender, and one bill you will get a small question, Escandinavian. Escandinavian means here Finland, Norway and Sweden. The participation of women is high in social life, and you will see that the India is lagging behind the world's developing countries. India is below Africa and Latin America. So we have got the question, causes of women's discrimination, disadvantage. How can we solve it? The political participation of women in Lok Sabha and state legislature. So thank you. You will prepare this question. Next day, 3 questions you should note down in your copies of chapter 4. Next day I will discuss about religion, and religion After that, we will discuss about casteism. So, thank you, my dear students. You will note down these. I will check your copies when we'll meet or we will arrange this. Thank you.